Alright, here is a cold startup Ferrari F12.
You want to videotape it or do you want to start it?
What? Serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Dad should videotape the startup and you should start it.
Oh my. Are you serious,
Hey.
dude?
Okay, so what?
So he's letting me start this car.
Alright, let's do it.
So much.
Oh my heck.
Slide in there. No way.
Yeah. Let me start
He
it.
goes in over there.
No way.
And it's got to get turned forward. Yep, go all the way in. There you go. Now, foot on the brake. That's going to be your start button.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a like. And also, I'd like to shout out Automotive Addiction. This is for this beautiful Ferrari. If you live in Utah, Provo and Southtown Mall. It's super sick, guys. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos. We got some more videos coming, including a huge classic car show. We still haven't posted. It's been a long time since we filmed one of those car shows, but what a beautiful day. It's January in Utah. You'd think there'd be a lot of snow on the ground, but really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a like, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.